Hey everybody, been a little while. We've been working on all kinds of different things except doing YouTube. Been pretty busy, just haven't had time. But anyways, we're having a beautiful day today. The weather's nice, short sleeve weather. We went to Southwest Community College and had our welding competition today. And took the bus over and took auto body with us. They competed at the Russell County Career Center. But got a few little things I'm going to ask y'all, especially for the ones of you local, primarily. But I've been getting some quotes and working on moving forward on our fire station building. I did a video back a while showing how our truck barely fits. It's our substation out the road here for Caney Ridge. Helps keep our insurance down and all that. And we just need some room and hopefully build some membership and that type of thing. If we can get a bigger building, it might draw more attention. And we got another vehicle need to park out there and all that. But we've been working on some quotes for 30 by 40 post frame buildings, or pole barn style buildings, sort of like my shop here would be, insulated, concrete floor and all that, and just totally removing the building we have out here now, which is only 14 by 30. Priced adding on is actually going to be, it's not going to save us much by adding on, and then we'd still have a divider wall in there. So if we can get a complete new structure, that's going to be our best option, I think, financially and for the best use of the space. But I can get the building built, put up, concrete and all that by the same people. What I'm needing is to get some quotes so I can turn them into our board of supervisors. We're trying to get some money now through some funds and that they have, and I need somebody that can give me some quotes on doing the wiring. Basically just be putting in a breaker box and running some outlets. Wouldn't need a whole lot of outlets, but we need a few around each wall, and put in some lighting. Potentially maybe just do outlets for the lighting and buy those LED high bay lights like I have, where we can just plug them in. And that just makes the lighting easier to change later or rearrange or whatever as your needs change, and put lighting where you need it. Probably a couple need like an air compressor wired up. I think it's probably on a 220 circuit, the air compressor we have. Got an electric heater right now that we probably need 220 plug wired up for. Not gonna be a lot, but anyways, I can cover that stuff with whoever does it. Y'all don't need to hear all that. But if anybody has any suggestions that's of somebody, even if they're located out in Avon, Bristol, Kingsport area, that might would come to Caney Ridge between Clintwood and Coeburn in Virginia, be willing to do the electrical, give us a quote on it at least. I need a couple quotes so that I can submit that to the board. I need to have that done by the 30th of next month. So any help I can get on that would be greatly appreciated if anybody's got any suggestions, especially people around here locally. Enough of that. We'll go down here. I was going to show you my little pad. We have got a lot of rain the last few days. It's dried up good today. Yeah, between yesterday and today, it started drying up pretty good. And this is holding up decent compared to the amount of rain we got. It actually flooded. We was off from school last Friday because of it, or actually went virtual. Our road down on Rock House washed out, or slid off, the big slide. I'll try to post a picture of that in here. But this is holding up good. It's cracking just a little bit over the edge, but that didn't have time to really settle. I worked it last. You can see I've got just a little cracking. I'll try to get those cracks filled in with some fresh dirt and pack it a little better, and I think it'll settle right in. This is making a nice little spot down here. Even if I never build a building, it will it'll be a useful place to park things. But I may come down here and work a little bit. I don't know if I will or not. I still need to cut some on this hump right here. It'll be an awful nice day to do that. Some of these rocks in here I've got to get plucked out, because this side's a little bit higher than it needs to be. Got a little bit of water running down through here still that I need to get caught some way. Not gonna be much way to do it. I'm gonna have to cut a ditch around the upper edge too, but no big rush to get all that done. No big rush. I was contacted the last little bit about doing some welding night classes, and I just had to turn that down right now. This time of year starts getting busy, and I've got more on my plate now than probably I should have. But I'm kind of enjoying what we're doing, and I guess spending time with Clayton and doing some of this volunteer work that we've been doing is, in the long run, worth more than any amount of money or YouTube or whatever. I enjoy hearing from you all, but spending that time with my kids and things, and seeing them do what they enjoy, that is more important than pretty much anything. So that's what we're going to keep doing, and working the YouTube and other stuff as we can. Pond's looking nice. Good and pretty. Good and pretty. But I'll probably cut this video off here. I've talked enough, probably bored you to death. Not my normal working videos, but if y'all will help me out on the electrician's suggestions to where I can get some quotes, and we'll see what happens there. But I got to present something the end of next month, so they can vote on it. But we will talk to you later. Thank y'all for watching, and if you will, please like and subscribe if you haven't, and just bear with me. Better days are coming when on the YouTube world, I hope. But y'all have a good one. back around this way. Tiffany loves it when I drive through the yard anyways. She says the yard makes a good road.